Companies are increasingly facing challenges driven by growing complexities in their sourcing, manufacturing and distribution chains, and consumer expectations of corporate sustainable responsibility in products, services and behaviours. Demand is intensifying for services that extend beyond quality and compliance to those that deliver sustainable solutions for the future. Intertek is a leading global total quality assurance provider, enabling organizations across a wide range of sectors to keep ahead of their emerging sustainability requirements. Through our global network, local knowledge, and subject matter expertise, we provide innovative and tailored assurance, testing, inspection, and certification services to our customers across their entire supply chain. The breadth and depth of Intertek's total quality assurance sustainability solutions enables us to help organizations across a wide range of sectors to keep ahead of their emerging sustainability needs. Our services range from solutions to address immediate environmental, social, and ethical compliance to the development of long-term strategic initiatives. These include stakeholder engagement programs, sustainable supply chain management tools, reporting and assurance. Our proven value chain expertise, global network and on-the-ground local knowledge help our customers to manage risk and resilience with greater transparency, whilst supporting their ability to operate effectively and act responsibly. Our customers trust us to ensure quality, safety and sustainability in their business, to protect their brands and to help them gain competitive advantage. Intertek is uniquely positioned to help organizations identify, anticipate, navigate, validate and achieve their sustainability goals, both now and in the future.